Hey everybody, I'm here today to give you a relatively quick tour of my newly renovated bathroom ensuite. Now this bathroom ensuite, this ensuite bathroom I should say, has a few awesome features, but among those awesome features are heated floors and a curbless shower. Those are like the two really cool things that I like to talk about in this bathroom. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to try and give you some perspective on like the size of it and stuff like that. The camera won't allow me to sort of give the full perspective, and I don't want to take you into mine and my wife's bedroom because it's a little bit of a mess right now. So we're going to stay in the bathroom with the door closed. Now for complete disclosure, I'll show you where I am right here. For complete disclosure, I did not do this renovation myself. I am a do-it-yourselfer. I've done quite a few bathrooms over the years and I love doing them. But at this point I have 4 young kids, so me doing project renovations is just not happening right now. I could do small stuff, but something on this scale, it is just basically out of the question because I work full-time and I have this channel and I have 4 young kids and I try and be an involved husband. So like, and I try and work out. I'm trying to start getting fit again. So like, it just wasn't gonna happen. So I had my trusted high school friend who's an awesome contractor do this, and he did a fantastic job. So let's go over some of the things that were done. So first and foremost, this door over here used to swing into the bathroom and now it swings out, okay? Just because we wanted to create some more space, and the bedroom, the master bedroom is quite large. There's a lot of space over there behind this door. So I figured we'd make it swing out because it would allow for more space in the bathroom, okay? Very simple. A lot of these fixtures, from what I remember, are Moen Genta, and I really hope I got that right. A lot of the plumbing fixtures. I could be wrong, and I really hope I'm right about it because I should have really looked at, like, you know, the paperwork that we had filled out before, like the things that we bought, the receipts, and blah blah. But I believe it's Moen Genta, most of the things. Okay, so we'll take a look over here. There's this side. Here's the entrance. You have a toilet paper holder over there. The toilet paper holder, the towel bar, and the robe hooks over here, all along the same wall. They are all the same thing, the same model, the same series, and I think it was, like I said, Genta. I believe it was, I know it was Genta, and I believe it was by Moen, if I remember correctly. This toilet was already here when we got the house, and the bathroom in the ensuite bathroom was original from 1980 roughly, which is when the house was built, but they had replaced the toilet. The previous homeowner was an elderly man that was living here, and essentially they replaced the toilet, I think to give him a little bit, it's a little bit of a higher style toilet. So we just kept it because it's like literally basically brand new. So we're just using it. We got this vanity. We were going to do a double vanity, but essentially it's probably slightly too small to have a comfortable double vanity. We're probably about 8 inches too small to a foot too small to have a comfortable double vanity. So we wanted the single vanity instead. My wife and I, we never get ready to go to bed or in the morning at the exact same time. We always alternate, so we figured we could use the counter space. The counter never looks like this. It's always filled with stuff, okay? Like literally. I cleaned it for this video. Hopefully you appreciate it, okay? The floor tiles are these like black hexagon tiles along with a dark style grout over there. Very simple. And the vent was painted black. The floor register was painted black to match. The little chip right there, you can see I'm not on the tiles, on the floor register. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll fix that up myself. Black hardware for the door handle. We walk into the shower over here. This mat is here usually only after we shower, but I just left it here to show you the contrast of the white mat. You walk into the shower, we have a linear drain over here. I'm going to show you one of the coolest features. Stay tuned. You're going to see one of the coolest things that I've ever seen in a shower, okay? And I don't even use it, but it's so cool. We have a rainfall shower head and then a wand, I guess it's called, like not a magic wand, but like a shower wand. And then what we did was we put the controller on this side over here. Sorry about the echo. The controller on this side so that you could turn it on and let the water get hot or warm before you move into the stream of water. So it's on the opposite side, little trick. Now, here is the coolest thing that my buddy, the contractor, told me about, okay? And if you want to know who he is, I don't want to put it on my channel, but if you want to know who he is, let me open this up so you can hear a little little bit better. If you want to know who he is, then go on my social media, like my Instagram, and go back to when you see me post a picture or a series of pictures of this reno. I've tagged him, and he also did my last reno. I tagged him as well. Go check him out. Honestly, he's amazing. His work is fantastic. I didn't get a discount for saying this. I'm not being paid. And you know, like he is, like I said, a friend of mine from high school, but his work is astonishing. Astonishing work, okay? So anyways, here is the coolest thing, and it was his idea. This right here, wait a second. Comment below what your guess is. What do you think this is, okay? Look at the height of it. It's a niche. There's a razor in there that kind of gives it away. It's actually a leg shaving niche. So check this out. You put your leg up here, and you can shave it. Now, obviously, as you can see, I don't shave my legs, but my wife does. So it just makes it so much easier. Instead of having a full bench, you just prop your leg up there, and it makes it easier for you to shave your leg. What a cool feature, okay? One of the coolest things that I liked about it, and it's that I really enjoy, even though it's something so simple, was a niche light. I mean, I see these niche lights in these like rich bathrooms, and I'm like, I want that, right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the rest of the lights. There are more lights, so I'm gonna turn these on, and you can see it's much brighter. The camera numbers for the exposure just went like crazy right now. So essentially, there are 4 light switches and a timed fan. Okay, this one controls the main lights, the main pod lights above over there. This one controls the sconce lights, I believe they're called, over there on the wall. There's 2 of them, which I didn't think would make a big difference, but they really do. This one controls the shower pod light over there. And this one controls the niche light over there, okay? So I'll turn that back on, and look at that, I love that, awesome. I just love it, just slowly, I'll do that one more time, turn it off, and watch what happens. Just slowly brightens up. That's actually an LED light, so there's a driver underneath the sink, the vanity. I'm not gonna open that up. Like I said, tons of stuff in there. I don't even know what's in there. Like I didn't go through those drawers to make sure that nothing was like, you know, I don't wanna like show you guys any of like my wife's personal stuff or my personal stuff. So I didn't go through them, so we're not opening them, okay? Other than that, one GFCI over here. One thing I should have done, and I thought about this, I should have put a second GFCI over here or somewhere where I could have placed it up to code, because then I could, for charging toothbrushes and stuff like that, and then eventually if you get like a heated toilet seat or a bidet or anything, I can use that to plug it into. But it's okay. If I ever want to do it in the future, it's not a huge deal. I know we can always get through the wall. I know I have pictures of where the plumbing lines were and so forth. And then we have the most awesome thing, I think. It's the heated floor. Okay, right now it's set to 27.5 degrees Celsius. This thing is amazing. Okay, literally, I was wondering, should we get it, should we not? I say, you know what, let's splurge. Like, we're always barefoot in this bathroom, right? And just stepping onto the floor in the morning or night, I'm like, amazing, absolutely amazing. Makes the world of a difference for something that is so simple, okay? And the last thing I think is these shutters. They were pre-existing. We took them out when we did the reno, we put them back on. I would open them, but literally my street name is right out there. So I don't, like literally, like you can see my street name and also the other street name that I'm adjoining to. So you can basically see the intersection where I live right there. So I'm not going to open them because I don't want to, I don't know what the word is, dox yourself. I think that's what they call it. If you dox yourself, you're giving away where you live. I think, I don't know, like my nieces are of that age where they know these terms and they tell me, and I have no clue, but I don't want to do that, whatever it is. I don't want to, Anyways, but that's it. I mean, black hardware, curbless shower, heated floors, really cool. Great mirror guys, glass guys that we use are fantastic. Go check out that post that I posted these pictures on my Instagram, and I'll tag them as well. Fantastic. Actually, the glass guy and the mirror guy has the most wicked tattoos I've ever seen, and I'm gonna get a tattoo soon, which you guys will probably see on the channel at some point. So I asked him for his contact, and then hopefully we're gonna get one over here. But that is essentially it. That is just a relatively quick, I thought it was going to be 3 minutes. It ended up being almost 10. A relatively quick tour of my bathroom, ensuite, my ensuite bathroom. I'll just give you, I'm going to go all the way back here, give you like an overview like that, right? Something like that. Maybe I'll make this a thumbnail, or maybe I'll use the one from the beginning. But either way, yeah, that's it. Really cool features. We kind of just skimped out on nothing with this. I said, let's just, you know, get whatever we want, because for me, it's motivation. I come in here in the morning and I'm like, I step on that floor and I'm like, okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get to work. Let's get it done. Okay. That's it. And that's it. I tackle the day. So that's really it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe I don't know why I was turning the camera towards me. That doesn't even make sense at all. Like, you know, literally, it's pretty late at night. I'm kind of tired at this point. I'm ready to start zoning down. Actually, it says the time over there. I think it's almost 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 9 o'clock p.m. I'm ready to start zoning down, and I got to go work out. So I'm trying to stay pumped up. My mind is already on the elliptical machine. And lastly, before I finish this video, do you all take these off? Because I have these on all of my lights, right? And I'm like, they don't look great with them on. Do you take those stickers off, the max wattage? Like, should I take them off and then just maybe make a note of them somewhere so I know what is the max wattage and the type of bulb for each fixture? Or should I just leave them on? I mean, I don't know, but do you take them off? Because all my other lights are quite high up, so I don't have to worry about them, but these ones are right here. I feel like I should maybe take them off. Comment below. Let me know if you take them off or not. And honestly, if you watch this entire video, I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate the viewership. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.